Mate, today we're installing a Dobinsons steering damper. I'm talking like an idiot because these guys are based out of Australia. The previous owner gave me this steering damper. It did not come with the hardware, but you can call up Dobinsons directly and get you some. So we're going to install it today and we're going to hack it up. Here on the driver's side, we're going to take this nut off and whale away here with the pickle fork. We're going to do this first because I want to. Yay! We don't have to save any of this because we have all new parts. We get to absolutely mash on this with no repercussions. Yeah! God, that's so fun. That is so good for someone with a temper problem like me. It's the easiest way to do this. You know what's embarrassing is that I don't think I ever tightened that up last time I came in here to check this thing out. Whoopsie! Hey, nothing happened. I'm alive. Okay, let's let out some more aggression. That was awesome. First of all, let's just look at the difference in bore size. Obviously, this is gonna 1, cool better, and 2, dampen better. See how easy this goes in? We don't really want that. That's not great. Take the Dobinsons. Holy shit. That's a steering damper right there, buddy. So this is what's included in the Dobinson hardware kit. All you really need to know is that this goes in like so. Take a washer, take a lock nut, then your nut goes on. Okay, and then on this end, you don't have to worry about a bushing or anything like that. It's not greasable or anything. This is a tapered fit, so it'll just press on basically. Then you need the nut you took off. I didn't know that. I have to go find my other one because I let it fly. Are we recording? We are, okay. Installation's pretty much the reversal of insulation. Did I, what the fuck did I just say? God damn it! That guy started. Or not. Damn it, look at, oh my god, it will all go, fuck. Now that that's started, let's go ahead and swing it around and attach it to the other side, and then we'll tighten everything up. Oh shit! Oh, so close. Oh my god. God damn, stay up there, please. I don't want to fuck with the lighting today. Now, what I'm going to do to this side, I'm just going to do to that side, and I'm not going to show you because you don't need to see everything. Cool. I'm kind of just tightening till I feel like it's good enough. Feel how tight this is. Oh, that's pretty tight. There she is in all her glory. Let's clean her up and put a name on her. Little bit of rubbing alcohol. I want to put this on my toolbox. Don't I? I want to put it on my toolbox. Fuck that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, you can't even fucking see. There it is. Right next to the Olympia sign. You know what that is? That's a Zamboni and what is that? It'd be like basically a hood ornament for a Zamboni. But it was an Olympia. Whatever.